Bob's Machine, world leader in jack plate technology, introduces the newest jack plate, the ParaJac. Where accuracy and dependability count the most, Bob's has you covered. It doesn't matter if you're headed to that secret fishing spot or looking to kill the competition in your next fishing tournament. You can rely on Bob's Machine jack plates, where precision craftsmanship meets unparalleled performance. The ParaJac features more lift, more setback. Machined for aesthetics and lighter weight. Custom machined cylinder with no welds to fail. Patent pending integrated shallow water anchor mounting locations. Thickest hinges on the market. Manufactured in iconic Tampa Bay. Bob's Machine uses the latest in manufacturing technology, ensuring the highest precision and quality for your peace of mind and for maximum performance on the water.
Hey guys, I'm Dustin Franklin. This is my buddy Ben Crosslack. We've been fishing Tampa Bay now ever since we were little kids. Had Bob's Machine Shop jack plates on all our previous boats, but now the latest from Bob's Machine Shop, the ParaJac.
Yeah, this ParaJac from Bob's Machine Shop allows us a 15-inch raise where we get skinny in there and catch all the redfish that everybody's chasing.
All right, guys, let's go catch some fish.
Discover the ParaJac and more at bobsmachine.com. Your adventure awaits.